G'day trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. For those new here that don't know me, I'm Craig and I make old shit look new again using the hydroblasting or vapor blasting process. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any exciting adventures. So who doesn't remember Alan Moffat pushing his Victa Lawnmower around the yard on the TV in the 70s? Today's short video will show you some Victa engine parts that I'll give a makeover. Now, by no means, folks, am I suggesting this is Alan Moffat's lawnmower. Customer anonymity, privacy is very important here, so from here in, I'll refer to Alan as the customer. So, here's all the customer's parts here. As you can see, they're not very pleasing to the eye. I'm about to fix that. So, with the help of modern technology, I'll give you a very quick look at the process and come back shortly and show you the finished product. Well, that's the Victa engine well on its way to being the best looking Victa on the block. So if mowers or restorations are your thing, please share this video with your mates. Or maybe not share it with Alan Moffat. Yeah, let's not do that. Thanks again for tuning in, folks. Hope you enjoyed today's presentation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, may the force be with you.